Hi, Lynn with Travel Leaders here with the Tuesday travel tip. Memorial weekend's coming up and record numbers of Americans are expected to travel. AAA is predicting millions of people on the road. So if you're driving, a couple of tips: gas up at Costco or another membership club to save a few pennies. Pack snacks or lunch so that you don't have to stop for food and you can just use rest areas. So that saves you money and also speeds things up while you're on the road. And leave earlier in the morning to avoid traffic. Of course, when you're out there, there's probably going to be construction. Just a reminder to slow down and move over if you see emergency vehicles or tow trucks. If you're flying, well, the TSA is recommending that you get there 3 hours early for an international flight or 2 hours early for a domestic flight. They are expecting an 11% increase in travelers this weekend, so it is going to be busy. And my number one tip is to download your airline's app. This will ensure that if there are any delays or cancellations, you're going to hear about them right away on your app, hopefully be rebooked right away, and if not, take that app and also get in line at the airport for assistance. That way you're tackling two different routes to get rescheduled and on your way. And of course, in either mode of travel, driving or flying, pack your patience.